G'day mates! Welcome to a wild adventure where we discover just how important animals are to our world. Our world is packed with incredible, beautiful, and sometimes downright weird animals. From the tiniest insects to the most massive mammals, there's a dazzling variety of creatures sharing this planet with us. From tiny ants to giant blue whales, animals are everywhere, our neighbors on this planet. They live in forests, deserts, oceans, and even our own backyards. But why are they so important? Why should we care about every single one, no matter how big or small? Every animal has a job, like bees pollinating plants and helping flowers, fruits and veggies grow, or snakes keeping pests in check, making sure nature stays balanced and healthy. Each creature, big or small, is a vital piece of nature's puzzle. Without them, the whole system could fall apart. Without them, our world wouldn't work the same way. Imagine mornings without birdsong, or forests without animals rustling in the leaves, or oceans without colorful fish. Life would be dull and lonely, missing the magic and color animals bring. Animals fill our world with joy, wonder, and excitement. They inspire us to explore, to learn, and to care for the world around us. They teach us about curiosity, about exploring new things and asking questions. They show us the meaning of family, teamwork, and survival in the wild. So next time you spot a spider spinning a web, remember it's a tiny engineer hard at work. Or a bird building a nest, carefully weaving twigs to create a safe home for its chicks. Take a moment to appreciate these wildlife warriors and think about how much they do for us every single day. Animals make our planet healthier, more interesting, and full of surprises. So let's dive in and learn more about these amazing critters. Because when we protect animals, we protect our world. So what makes an animal an animal? It's a question that might seem simple, but the answer is actually pretty fascinating. Animals come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny insects to giant whales, but they all share some important features that set them apart from other living things. Despite their differences, animals share some key traits. No matter where they live, deep in the ocean, high in the sky, or right in our homes, these traits unite them as members of the animal kingdom. Animals must find their own food. Unlike plants, they can't make it from sunlight. Whether it's a squirrel searching for nuts or a dog sniffing for treats, every animal needs to eat to survive. Some eat plants, others eat other animals, but all are driven by the search for food. This quest shapes their lives and behaviors from the tiniest insect to the mightiest predator. Animals can move, lions run, fish swim, birds fly, and even slow sloths get around. Movement is one of the most important things that animals can do, and it helps them in many ways. Movement helps them find food, escape danger, and start families. Whether it's a herd of zebras running from a predator or a mother duck leading her ducklings to water, being able to move is essential for survival. Animals have amazing senses. Eagles see far, dogs smell incredibly well, and bats use echolocation. These senses help them find food, avoid danger, and communicate with each other. These super senses help them survive in all kinds of environments, from dark forests to snowy fields and underground tunnels. Each animal's senses are perfectly suited to its way of life. All animals grow and change. Caterpillars become butterflies, tadpoles become frogs. This process is called metamorphosis, and it's just one example of the incredible changes animals go through as they grow. This life cycle is a journey of transformation. From tiny eggs to adults, animals experience many stages, each with its own challenges and adventures. From birth to adulthood, animals are on a mission to survive and continue the cycle. They learn, grow, and adapt, always striving to find their place in the world. It's a powerful part of being an animal. Whether they live alone or in groups, animals are always working to survive, thrive, and pass on their knowledge to the next generation. Let's meet some of their families and discover the amazing ways animals live, learn, and grow together. The animal kingdom is like a giant family tree with many branches, each one representing a different group of amazing creatures. From the tallest giraffe to the tiniest ant, Every animal has a place on this tree, and together they make our world a truly fascinating place to explore. First, let's meet the mammals. Like us, dogs and whales. Mammals are warm-blooded, have hair or fur, and mothers feed their babies milk. They care for their young and often live in close-knit families, just like humans do. From the forests to the oceans, mammals can be found almost everywhere on Earth. Birds are another incredible group. They have feathers, lay hard-shelled eggs, and brighten our world with their beautiful songs and dazzling colors. Some birds can soar high above the clouds, while others hop along the ground or swim in water. Reptiles like snakes and turtles are covered in tough, scaly skin and are cold-blooded survivors. They thrive in deserts, forests, and even swamps, showing just how tough and adaptable they can be. Amphibians such as frogs and salamanders start life in water as eggs and tadpoles, then move to land as adults. Their ability to live both in water and on land shows amazing adaptability and makes them unique among animals. Fish rule the underwater world, breathing with gills and swimming with fins. They come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny minnows to giant sharks, and fill our rivers, lakes and oceans with life. Each group is unique, with its own special features and ways of surviving, but all are vital to our planet's incredible diversity. From the soaring eagle high in the sky to the tiny shrew scurrying through the grass, animals have adapted to every corner of Earth, from icy mountains to steamy jungles and deep oceans. Their differences and special abilities make the animal kingdom endlessly fascinating and full of surprises. Let's discover some wild facts about them together. Get ready to be amazed by the wonders of the animal world. There's so much to learn and explore. Crikey, animals are full of surprises. Did you know the blue whale is the biggest animal on Earth, longer than 3 school buses? Despite its size, it eats tiny krill, gentle giants indeed. The cheetah is the fastest land animal, sprinting faster than a car, but only for short bursts. Some bears hibernate, sleeping for months to survive winter without eating or drinking. Elephants are not just huge, they're smart, social, and have incredible memories. Their trunks are like a hand, nose, and straw, all in one. Animals have amazing abilities, from energy-saving strategies to super senses. Each one is a marvel of nature. The animal world is full of wonders. Let's see how they help us. Animals aren't just fascinating, they're our partners on this planet. Pets like dogs and cats give us love, teach responsibility, and make us happier. Animals help keep our environment healthy. Bees and butterflies pollinate plants, giving us fruits and veggies. Vultures clean up by eating dead animals, stopping disease from spreading. Earthworms improve soil, helping plants grow. Every animal, big or small, plays a role in a healthier Earth. For thousands of years, animals have provided food, materials, and even helped us farm. Chickens give eggs, cows give milk, sheep give wool, and horses help plow fields. Our lives are deeply connected to theirs. By caring for animals, we care for ourselves. It's a partnership built on respect and reliance. Let's protect this bond. Now, how can we be wildlife warriors? Animals face big challenges. Loss of habitat and pollution are major threats. As cities grow, animals lose their homes and food sources. Pollution harms creatures in oceans, rivers, and forests. But there's hope. We can all be wildlife warriors, protect habitats by supporting conservation and planting native flowers for pollinators. Provide bird feeders or leave leaf piles for small critters in your yard. Be kind to animals, observe wildlife from a distance, and care for pets responsibly. Never buy souvenirs made from animal parts. Reduce, reuse, and recycle to cut down on pollution. Use less plastic. Every small action helps protect wildlife. Together we can make a big difference. We've learned that animals are essential to our planet's health and beauty. From ants to whales, every animal has a purpose in the web of life. They pollinate, clean, and fill our world with wonder. Caring for animals reflects our humanity and teaches empathy. Acts of kindness like helping a turtle or adopting a pet connect us to nature. Every creature deserves respect and dignity. The future of wildlife is in our hands. Our choices can help or harm them. By learning and caring, we become protectors of nature. Stay curious, explore, and listen to the stories of every creature. Let's promise to be champions for wildlife and work for a world where humans and animals thrive together. We're all in this together. What a beautiful world.